In the ever-evolving world of bioinformatics and genetic engineering, precision and efficiency are paramount. Today, we introduce a breakthrough, the quadratic screening algorithm, revolutionizing genetic data classification and retrieval. The exponential growth of genetic data has made classification and retrieval a major challenge. Traditional methods struggle with scalability and integrity verification. Our novel approach adapts the quadratic screening algorithm, providing a robust method for indexing and retrieving genetic data with mathematical precision. By integrating factorization-based integrity verification, we ensure data accuracy and completeness. This allows rapid retrieval of specific genetic segments, crucial for personalized medicine and gene therapy. Beyond data management, we have developed a programming language specifically tailored for gene editing. This enables precise modification of genetic sequences, opening new possibilities in treating genetic diseases. This breakthrough paves the way for cutting-edge applications, from personalized medicine to genetic research, ultimately transforming healthcare and biotechnology. The future of genetic engineering starts here. With the quadratic screening algorithm, we unlock new frontiers in bioinformatics and medical science. With the blessing of God, we hope to see you in the following video.